Starting seeds indoors is a great way to get a jump on the growing season, save a ton of money, and grow out varieties you normally can't find in the nursery. So today I'm going to show you the basics of what you need to know to easily and successfully start your own seeds indoors. Starting plants from seed is a really simple process and you're likely already familiar with it, but let's just take a minute to review for guaranteed success. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you can put your seeds into any kind of container as long as you have drainage. And then rule number one, always start with a high quality seed starting mix. Now there's a couple ways that you can do that. You can add the mix to the containers and then add the water, but I find that to be a little messy for the surrounding area. So I like to just get a big container and add all the seed starting mix at once and then the water and keep mixing until it's the consistency of like oatmeal. And then it's time to put it in the containers. Let's do that now. Away for now. This one. In fact, now I could probably pour it in. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now I'm just going to sow my seed. I always refer to the instructions on the back of the packet to know exactly how deeply to plant it. And that's what I'll do with these tomatoes, and I'm planting some lettuce. Now, the tomatoes, they like a little darkness, so I'll plant these about a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch deep and put a little more soil on top. Now, depending on how precious your seeds are or how particular you are, you could get really careful with this, and I just kind of wing it and get 1 or 2. Maybe if I get 3 in one slot, that's okay. Okay, now the lettuce, sprinkle right across the top. And I'll come back and divide later. Once that's germinated, I'll pull these little seedlings apart and plant them out in the garden. Now because these need a little darkness, come back with a little soil across the top. Lightly tamp it in, and that will be all I need to do, other than add the labels so I know what's what. Okay, the seeds are sown. I've lightly tamped them in. Now it's just time to add the labels so I remember what's what. And I made these labels from mini blinds, so that makes them free. That's always a nice tip, right? There's the lettuce. And then it's just time to cover it up. Now I have the store-bought covers, but you know, why not use something free like this plastic wrap? Because the objective is just to hold the moisture in and let some light through. So this works perfectly for that, but since I have the covers, I might as well use them.